Hi, welcome to my studio, and on this video I'm going to show you how I draw wet fur using pastels on pastelmat paper. Now I picked a seal because it's obviously a real challenge. It's a super wet subject. There's lots of light bouncing around and blue from the sky bouncing and reflecting on the wet surface, especially on the top of the head. So those are all things that I would have to tackle eventually using pastels, and what you can see on screen is just blocking in the underdrawing stage, and I show lots and lots of these type of demos actually on my YouTube channel. There's lots of slow versions as well, because obviously this is just from a long 1.5 hour plus video I've got on my Patreon art channel. So this is just a slowed down version just to give you a general overview of it. Now I just blocked the background in there. That was a mistake that I cover, and I show how I fix this on a YouTube video and also on my Patreon channel as well. So I fixed the background, then I started to refine that underdrawing and bring out the pastel pencils a lot more. I use the pastel pencils especially to get those fine details and really start building those upon the underlayer, just like I would with oil painting. So the good thing with pastels is that we can easily build layer upon layer, and that's something I love with the pastels. It makes it a much more forgiving medium. So you can see I'm starting to add the details, I'm starting to add that fur texture and gradually going lighter and lighter and starting to make those colors just a bit more rich in certain places as well. Because more colors, that's all going to add interest for the viewer. So you can see how I'm just easily layering detail, cleaning up the edges as well, and starting to build that fur texture. Now with pastels, just like oils again, lots of similarities. I work mainly from dark to light, or more often than not with texture. I get a mid-tone down first, then I put the dark shadowy areas in, as you've seen there on that top section of the head. Then I come in with highlight and the details on top, so just as it really is in nature. And that's what makes pastels a nice easy medium to learn, because you haven't got to go reserving lights or working in a way that may feel backward to you. The lights will sit on top, as I'm showing in this video. Now one of the big tricky bits of this drawing was always going to be the whiskers. So I really go into that in depth on the long videos, and as I said, if you're interested in longer versions, this one's around about 1.5 hours long, lots and lots of real time in there. My Patreon channel is the way to go. I've got around about 50 plus videos in there covering lots and lots of different wildlife subjects. So hope you've enjoyed this video and hope to see you on my Patreon art channel real soon. If you're looking for even more great art sources, I've really got you covered. First off, I've got a Patreon channel. It's been going well over a year or so, packed with around about 50 or more videos and new ones every month. Lots of the videos are many hours long, so you can see they're really in-depth. Subjects such as turtles, birds, elephants, big cats, you name it, it's on there. So that's my Patreon channel. And also on that Patreon channel, before I go on to something else, I've got a secret Facebook group. So only the members are actually on there. It's the most supportive and friendly Facebook group that I've ever seen. I know I'm biased, but it really is. We've got 400 or 500 members on there, and they all help each other. So that's a great added bonus. That comes free with it. Also, you get line art every month as well, and we've just designed a brand new companion website for it. So if you've joined other Patreons and channels and you found it very difficult to navigate around, we got this free website that comes with it. All the videos are now just a single click away. Couldn't be any easier than it is. I've also got my site jasonmorgan.co.uk, lots of tutorial videos, DVD discs and downloads on there. And if you're struggling for reference photos for your art projects, I've got some of those too. I've got 900 plus on my website, wildlifeart-online.com, and they will be copyright free for you, so you can paint and draw from them and sell your work with no copyright worries whatsoever. So hope you like those extra resources, and I'll see you all again real soon.